Hi guys, I'm at the fairy ponds with my friend Minai, and I just got this little coastal giant salamander. Ah! He's so
squirmy little guy.
Yeah. Yeah. Under the second rock.
Second rocks for sure. Hopefully catching another one today.
Yeah, this actually might be the same one that I found under the exact same rock last time we went here.
Cool. That little guy is so little cute.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright guys, we just caught another coastal giant salamander. We've gotten 3 like so quickly.
It's definitely bigger than the last ones.
Yeah. Quite a bit bigger.
I actually lost it once and then we got it back. Got it back. So cute. Oh yes. Very cute. Well, we'll let this guy go and let you know if we find another one.
All right, I caught another salamander here.
Help me. Oh, this guy took a little effort to get him in the net, but we got him. There he is.
Oh wow, what a beauty.
Wow. Back in the water. You're so cute. Oh, you're fast.
Second salamander for the day.
I know, and you guys just
sure.
started.
Look at you just came into my hands.
Let me see. Okay, let me get a picture of both you guys with them.
Oh.
Nice, nice.
Okay, let's let this guy go.
Alright guys, we caught another coastal giant salamander here. Well, this is our 4th. And we've just explored one little area.
Of the fairy ponds.
Yeah.
And this guy's smaller than all the rest, but worth catching, and everyone is worth catching.
Yeah. Super cool.
Yeah, we checked under that log over there,
That log right there in the water.
and we found this little guy. First, Jaden didn't think there was anything, but then a second later, he's like, there it was.
Yep.
Under the net. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna
Yep, let him go, and let you know if we catch another one, or at least see another one.
Yeah.
That's salamander. There's 2. There's one right there. You catch that one. No, not one. Okay. No, we're not gonna catch that one. Okay, I'm gonna catch this one real fast. Okay.
Where?
Wait, no, don't catch it.
Yeah, I'm
Where?
on video.
right there.
That.
Oh my God.
That's a giant salamander eating a dead salamander.
Whoa.
I'm gonna catch that big one
And then
because
look,
it's going
You
away.
guys, that, watch.
Amazing. And there's another one right over there.
I'm gonna catch it.
Wait, film it. See its tail under the log right there? Oh. Okay. It's under the log. It's almost in your, nope, Minai, it went under the rock.
Oh, it went under the rock.
Film this again.
I can't believe they eat their own people.
Yeah, alright, film this again. Oh, it's right there. Can you
Oh.
film this again? Dude, that is such a big salamander. That is crazy.
I'm
Oh, we
gonna
beat
flip
our
this
record.
rock.
We're
Hey,
at
can-
7, bro.
Okay, no, we're at 8.
7.
2.
Yeah, that would be 8 because
Yeah.
we were at
yeah.
6.
Okay, can you hold that? I'm gonna flip this rock.
Yeah.
Yep. Can I have this? Oh, I need that to catch this one. Okay, this is done. Hopefully, I can catch this. Can I have it? Which side?
Wow. That is crazy, guys.
He's gone.
He's in this rock.
No, he was under the rock, dude.
Oh, he was?
Yeah, he was under the rock.
There was nothing there.
No, he was totally under the rock. No, you put it down, so now it's gone. Dude, it was totally under the rock. him now. Where is it? No, he's probably under that rock right there. Wow. Dude, this is crazy. I'm gonna get a photo of that.
We caught another one.
Yeah. And this one's...
We thought Jaden was gonna catch it. I just put my net down, picked it up, and boom, little guy.
Yeah.
In there. Oh, you're so cute. He's just so cute. Okay.
There's actually another one that we caught and let go. Right over there in that pool.
I was like sitting there and he was just bathing in the sun. Let's see if I can get a good shot of him. See right there. Oh, that's a little blurred. Right there. In between those rocks, you can just see a brown shape. Pretty small, but worth catching. We're at 6 now.
Yeah. Just
Jane's record.
Just one more and I beat my personal record for the spot in one day.
Oh, well, we'll let this guy go. He was like poking out his head from that rock right there.
Yeah.
Let's put him, let him go. Let you know if we beat Jane's record.
Yeah.
Bye, little guy. Oh yeah, high five. Woo!
Alright guys, we got our third little lizard, little teeny baby western fence lizard in the yard of the year. Maybe even the 4th or 5th, I have no idea. But wow, this guy is so cute. Or actually no, it's a little teeny little girl. So cool. Actually guys, oh, there he is. Ah, wait, what? Where is he? There he is. This is actually a little boy. I'm not sure if this is a different one, but it might be. Yeah, cool little guy. He's just running around here. Alright guys, this is our third lizard of the day, or the second, I'm not sure. But I saw a little baby skink in the yard that got away, but here's a little guy or girl. I'm not quite sure if this is the same one that I saw earlier or not. There he goes. Alright guys, I got a good photo of it. And I realized it is a female, it is a different lizard. So yeah, third lizard of the day. See how many we can find. That's really cool. And so cute. It's like eating ants, what? Alright guys, I'm at Little Hyatt Reservoir. I just caught this little northern Pacific tree frog.
Tiny.
Yeah, I'm fishing and I'm looking for like snakes and frogs. There he goes. Yeah, see what else we can find.
next to the fence.
Yeah, I got this little dude at the Hyatt Reservoir. I'm gonna get the hook out of him. Or her, I don't know. But yeah, nice, good first fishing of the day. Alright guys, I just caught a freaking monster trout. Oh my god. Dude, this fish is huge. This is like a 15-incher, bro. Okay. I'll get some more video of him. But wow. I'm gonna get the hook out now. He's been through way too much. Is it? Alright.
Yeah.
I just caught a big trout here. It definitely splashed me. And I think I'm gonna go to shore to get this guy out because he's hooked pretty good. But yeah, this is even smaller than the trout that I caught a few minutes ago.
Lift it up for the camera.
Yeah. Nice fish. Wow. Alright, can you stop it? Alright, I'm gonna get the hook out of this guy. Alright guys. Two little western toadlets. Super small little buddy. Yeah. Get back in my car. Okay guys. Sorry for the people in the background. They found a little toad. But they don't know about right here. There's this little dude. I'm still at Hyatt Lake. Just had dinner here. And we're gonna get going. But I stopped at this creek before dinner. Saw all these toads and frogs. And I decided to come here after dinner to get some footage of them. But yeah, there's a lot of little frogs and toads around here. I just saw one bury right here. He's under there. And oh look, there's one right there. And then, yeah, there's lots of frogs and toads here. Mainly toads, as you can see it right here. The sandbank. A lot of little toads. They're super tiny and cute. Yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of little toads and frogs. Yeah, super cool. See if I can find, oh, there's one. I was gonna say, see if I can find a northern Pacific tree frog, and there one is. Alright, I gotta go now.